What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video on learning C Sharp. My name is Coriowood and you guys are watching my channel Coriowood. As I promised to you guys in the previous video about C Sharp, when we learn C Sharp, and as I promised to you guys that we're going to see the .NET in the next video. So this is the time for us to understand .NET. Some folks they call it .NET, or some folks we're going to call it .NET because there is a dot at the front, and we're going to call it .NET. Net stands for network, or you can call it networking. So you can see this one is a dot, and we can see .NET or .NET. So .NET is a free cross-platform open source developer platform for building many different types of applications. .NET is a general purpose development platform developed by Microsoft. So with the .NET, you can use multiple languages, editors, and libraries to build for web, mobile, desktop, games, IoT, and more. So keep in mind, IoT stands for Internet of Things, and Internet of Things mean many things like fridges, new fridges, microwaves, anything that connects you to the internet, even the globes, or you're gonna see that the ring doorbells or things like that, or surveillance cameras inside the homes, anything that is nowadays connects to the Wi-Fi or connects to the internet. With the games, you understand we have Unity with the games, with the desktop applications or mobile applications. So we can use with the .NET multiple languages, editors, and libraries for websites, mobile, desktop, games, IoTs, and more. So .NET provides standard set of base class libraries and APIs that are common to all .NET applications. So think .NET as a foundation of applications. That's what we're going to think. When you see .NET, we're going to see this one as a foundation of applications that you want to build. It contains all low-level features you need to create an applications, but C Sharp builds on that foundation to make development easier. .NET began at Microsoft's strategy to open the web for mere mortals like you and me. Today it encompasses everything Microsoft does. Now we're going to see the .NET framework. So what is .NET framework? So .NET is a Microsoft's original Windows-only runtime for writing web and rich client application that runs only on Windows desktop or Windows server. So .NET framework is pre-installed with Windows, so you don't have to worry about installing it, and it is automatically patched via Windows Update. When we target the .NET framework, we can use all the features of the C Sharp automatically. This is called the .NET framework. And now we're going to see, now you guys going to see every now and then about the .NET Core. What is .NET Core? .NET Core is a multi-platform, less functional version of the .NET that you can use to implement some C Sharp 11 or 12 features. It allows you to use the same applications on Windows, Linux, macOS, and mobile devices like Xamarin. So .NET Core is actually a multi-platform. We can anything that has a .NET Core, it means that you guys can install on Linux, you guys can install on the Windows, or you guys can install on say macOS, because it's compatible with all the operating systems. So we can write .NET apps in C Sharp, which is the language that we want to learn. F Sharp is another programming language that we can write a code. Our Visual Basic. So if you guys not familiar with the Visual Basic is a very old language developed by Microsoft. Visual means you're going to see here the GUI, whatever you guys going to see in the screen. This is called Visual. So at the old times, Microsoft created language that you guys could create like menus, you guys could create the frameworks, you guys could create anything that you can see like graphics. So this is called Visual Basic. So Visual Basic is actually the old Microsoft's language with the symbol syntax for building type-safe, object-oriented apps. This is called Visual Basic. I wrap up these videos, and now in this video, now we know that what .NET is. .NET is free, cross-platform, open-source developer platform. So it's a general-purpose development platform developed by Microsoft. We can use multiple languages, editor libraries for web, mobile, desktop, games, IoTs, and more. .NET provides standard for basic libraries. We can think .NET as a foundation of all our applications. And now we're going to see the .NET framework. We have seen the .NET Core, which is a multi-platform that we can use it on say Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. It means it's all-rounder. So you guys going to see here .NET framework, or you guys going to see here .NET Core. So we can write .NET apps in C#, which is a programming language that we're going to learn, F#, which is another programming language, our Visual Basic, which is the old Microsoft programming language. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Coriowood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.